Oh, yeah, me tell you say now. You know, say one something kill penis though.
Make it then.
I thought you could turn up my money.
Yeah! Close. I remember me tell you.
Yeah, and ship.
Me never a clothing store where we went to that about the million.
So, ship not clothes. Ship clothes. Put your clothes on.
This make you look, you see me? Put on a shirt like this and go down and watch you have on one pant when me match this in a, me can't have $20 in my pocket, you see? And me tell you say, just by they see me,
the girl level down the hustler go kill you.
you're a blood clot madman, man.
Cause when they say bush,
y'all will come to me.
When they see man bush up coming in, you know, trash on them, I say what? 550 girl I rush up.
Alright.
Hug up, rub it down in there.
Yeah.
No money to give them.
So what them have?
You look like just a fool.
What them have?
Yeah, you're just a fool, man.
You're a blood clot. Yeah.
Oi,
Nah, just a fool.
what you want?
Dress up fool?
Yes.
Eh?
My shirt costs more than all what the girl wearing.
What?
Me go anyway properly dressed and Mr. Bossage, the wife look at me and say, who is properly dressed? I stand up here so all me can see it's a bottle of Hennessy. Come to me. That lady send it for you.
So you're properly dressed?
Me not have to have money for that.
You're properly dressed. And you send back like Hennessy.
Yes.
I buy him, I buy your own.
Yeah.
Listen me, if I didn't see you, you see to your dress?
She do what she do now.
No.
Look here, you.
Yeah, reason, man.
Yeah, but this not me.
So you rerun for reasoning.
Me I show you how man make female, you see?
Mm.
Come at the feet and bow blood clot down.
To your dress?
I love them
To your dress?
for nothing.
You know
All of me baby man them want me up. Me get baby man and if you call one of them now, then tell you how precious this man is. When they used to see me beard on the phone about 3 weeks ago, when me shave and mommy see me, Daddy, why you looking like that? My woman then call me daddy.
Then, me know how my woman call me daddy.
Why not?
Imagine, you in your house, a sexy woman, no, daddy, take time, daddy. And me a pass, me don't know you. What me ever say, this man a real thing. You can't go so. If you go so. You mad?
You pay me for this, huh?
Yo. You can't go so.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Hey.
I want to take these times now way back where it should not be.
Me don't understand you.
You don't understand me?
No.
You know the girl?
Which girl?
We are around the time now.
Right time? I don't think I got run time.
And the places and all of this.
Me think I got run time with one man. There you gone.
One nice pretty girl.
Me a reason you
What her
gone.
name is? See what?
Me a reason you gone.
What's your name?
You see, say you can't have a reason though. You money? You can't have a reason.
I'll be free.
You don't walk up and down, I will run up in a hand like that, you girl. You can't hold on now. Get up.
Me know too.
Right now, I'm going to go to bed.
Look at smoke on the cigarette. A dance school me want go. The school and where Dan then go.
Alright, why Dan?
You don't know what Dan man like if the Prime Minister come in your community and you win lotto, you have to give Dan fame.
Cut out tie.
You don't know what Dan?
Yeah, Dan.
I do something Dan deal with, you know. Link and money. Dan never ball for economy yet, you know.
Yeah.
So you see school where Dan then go. Because you say Panamanton. You know what Dan? Panamanton Dan.
You want to go against the Dan then?
Me no want to go against the Dan, them want to go to school with them go.
Yeah, but not against them.
No, then you and the man never go to school together, you don't go against them. You don't go your way, you go your way. Some want to go to school and pick up idea like the remember, you know. If Andrew will let's give you $1 million right now for run one drain, you know, Dan want 50 out there.
So you want to be a
So
dad?
long as Dan in the club. Then if you don't get it done, if you don't get it done, what did Dan send for? Oh, you have to live in the community.
I ain't get the work too. I have to.
No, the Dan, you know, no. Dan is a man like say, if house are sell over there, so 10 of it. 20 house are selling can buy all 50. 40 can
So how
buy
man
sale.
come by the name of Dan and all of them?
That's why I tell you, say, I want to go to the university
where they done then go.
Enough done no go to university.
So how they so powerful?
No bully force, man.
Then that the thing me want to have tomorrow.
Bully force.
Then other than you don't know what is a done?
Eh?
That never have no problem.
Me not talk about the command where you see police surround
That
you.
never have no problem till then tell lie and police come.
I know that. They want to come and the police around your house and you see with handcuff back at him and yell, I know that.
The uncle,
Dan have link. When police come, Dan gone. You can't tell. That third Dan and fourth Dan. Me I tell you about Dan, you know.
First class Dan.
Me I tell you about Dan.
Real Dan.
Real Dan. Police can't cut real Dan. Real Dan down America a long time, can't get link. Me I
go
tell
on to the Dan we run Clarendon.
you, him a no Dan man. In that jail,
Them are the original
Dan him
Dan.
a Dan.
Them are the original Dan. Cause them are the not kill off the body and take the
So me
truck.
want that idea.
Which Dan never did.
Eh?
Where's it?
Dan never did.
No me mind.
I one Dan there, I want to
A one down there and a Clarendon, you know.
no more than no then.
A
You
one
don't
down
know
there
what
and
I
a
talk about. Me
Clarendon.
I tell you about man who are Dan. Not no problem.
No, but Dan dead, but Clarendon
Yeah,
never
man no
dead.
Dan man.
Wow.
All Dan dead.
You don't know about Dan man.
All Dan.
Alright, we don't know about that. You tell me about Dan.
Let me not tell you about Dan man. Man when I no problem so long as him a Dan. Cause even Donald Trump send feeling gone. Cause him a Dan. Cause he have link. Cause from you mention him, he gone.
So make up half I Dan them.
Yes.
Dan they make up half a Clarendon.
Only Dan that left.
Yeah, and Dan never dead.
Yeah, and then.
Can't
Only, me I tell you about Dan. When no matter who give you money in the community, you have to report to the Dan. You don't understand them Dan there?
Yeah, I understand.
Alright, put it as era leader.
Me no matter what you want to call him.
I see him thing.
If you even, alright, 10 girls come here, so you know to see Dan draw them. I reckon I think you see 5 come out, 5 girls come out, and take with them. Down with Dan.
You have some woman a week to
And
Dan.
a week, the Dan have everything left. First thing, he Dan can't give them money, he Dan can't put them up. Anything they want, he Dan can.
I just see Dan Chris Car they run to man. And I really the Dan. And the Chris Car.
Dan have money too. Dan
Yeah,
have
but
money.
Dan have support.
Listen
But
me
the
now,
girl
listen.
them a Chris Car them a
Listen me
deal
now.
with.
Every man a Dan.
What you mean?
Every man a Dan, but it all depends what kind of Dan.
Me I talk about Dan where if you get $1 million right now, him, you see 2 little man can say, what the maths?
Hey,
What the pray?
hey,
So the boss say, slice running up.
hey. The man a Dan. He's a thief. He's a thief.
Oi.
You know run the slice and you will see if you
Oh, yes, it
Now
does.
hold on take.
Oi.
Oh, when you give 90% you see man still
Yeah,
up.
but all
Now,
the
hold on
times
there.
done and a some see done, you know.
Me not talk terms done that, me I tell you about man where.
Because all me see a done, may I express my feelings, all me see a
You
done.
have no feelings like so.
Yeah, but done are people who take care of people in a
Them
community.
done that.
When you say Dan kill, I just a killer.
Me not tell you about kill.
That what him do?
Me say Dan have link and money to make everything done. Dan never have a weak economy.
What another
If a ship fi buy a
Another alone a money.
you know what money.
A whole heap of man a money and him a not Dan.
All of them bad boy economy. While they break to buy them a company. Dan come every girl get 40,000.
Yeah, but hear me now. Yeah, some
This
boy.
another Dan him a boaster.
Yeah, some boy we have money we ball more than you. When I have no money.
We not talk about them Dan. We not talk about
What kind of Dan you attack? Tell
We
specific,
not
man.
specific I tell you about Dan where if you get one contract for build road for your town, the Dan I get half of it.
Half of what? The money, or the
from you.
contract?
No
The
matter who
work,
give you.
you might get
The
half of
money,
work.
not the work, you don't want no work. You have to go report down in place and tell him say this you get from the Prime Minister, the MP, or the private man.
Them they done they are jail right now.
Yeah, man.
All of them they done when they are jail right now when do that. So you can't do that with so young youth.
Dan not the RG.
Every-
But it don't know me I tell you about I'm an old youth.
Every, every done we out there. He sprayed that one like a 16-year-old boy now.
I wonder if you know
He
say-
heart beat.
Listen.
When he see.
Listen now, listen man, listen me good no man. You know so where me I watch the Prime Minister on TV
Yeah.
and I done him. You never hear him.
Me
The
never
man
hear.
said Dan a struggle the economy. See a Dan. He
But them
can't
man they own Dan too. The same man where I said the Dan, him a Dan too, you know.
Yo, listen me now. Me, no back with the Dan thing. I mean, no.
Me nah back with no
Uphold
Dan,
the
and
Dan
nah
thing,
uphold with Dan. Me
Yeah,
say
why
me
not?
want to know the university where Dan then go, why they have so many link and power that me can go there. If me can get the link and power and do farming with it.
What a university make them get there?
You understand? Me can go in agriculture with it, me can go in manufacture with it, me can go link and money you want to go in things, you know.
Look here, no?
So if you got a link, like the Dan them, and decide if you go plant food. Just imagine if you Dan them say, come we go plant food tomorrow. And 40 million man back time a chat down bush. You know the amount of sick will have here?
Any of the Dan says him a chat bush tomorrow, the next Dan then kill him.
Yeah, man, chap.
And you never gonna say your water no good thing in a bad man.
Yeah.
You come and talk about farming.
Now what about all the Dan agree to go in there?
No.
Everybody
You
can
got left
agree
your
to that.
taxi road.
All I done, they not agree
Yeah,
to
but they're
that.
not done.
No, me ask you.
They put me
As
get
a
more
man,
here.
as
Yes,
a
yes,
man.
yes, for me I get more money.
No.
They get more money,
You
man.
can't get more money for agriculture than drugs and extortion.
Oh, you know, say sitting in there and jokes
What?
10 years from now.
What? 10 years from now,
I want
we
that
talk
shit
about-
at 2 million a
drugs talk about the present, John talk about
I
present.
want 2 million a pound. And court guard down to nothing. Because yeah, it too crisis and too much. There's a murder execution in court now. So a food gone now. One apple of too much $100. What you tell me, say?
Mrs. Son Dan, you know.
But the
Anytime
important,
we reach
the
the sun,
important
anytime we
things
reach the
them
sun,
are
Dan gonna
cheapest
take
thing.
over
you know.
farming.
Then that's why me I say,
But it
me
don't
want to
mean
go to
that
the
they-
university where the Dan then go, so
Dan
me
don't
can
know
you.
university.
You know, university.
You're for bad.
You have to do what?
Bad.
That's the thing me ask you for. Jesus. You see how long I'm going to take to come around with them here?
You should have
Where you
asked me
have
long
it?
time.
Me should have.
You're not for bad for
That's
me,
what me
Dan.
the car.
You have to buy.
You're not happy
Yo,
bad for
when
me,
you're
Dan.
done,
You can't honest and be a Dan.
listen to
Yes,
man, no
honest.
Dan not honest.
Yes, man.
What you say?
No, that not honest, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Dan.
All Dan a thief and murder
all
and killer,
Dan a
extortionist and everything we can call with
Cause
Satan.
how him be a Dan, you know. You
You have
just
to deal with
say,
everything we Satan deal with to be a Dan.
So me
Then
can't
I
bother
give
about that damn thing.
No,
But
you
I'm telling
have to
you
do
that.
Satan thing.
yeah.
Okay, you have to
That me I try
you have to have
find
yard
out.
up, bafflement, freeze everything we come, free me everything, and that fella. You see me I say? Protect themselves, yard, ring, chain, anklet.
Because when I talk about
Inside
link,
yard.
Dan have link, you know. And remember saying, if you want to ship tomorrow morning, the first man I buy you one dozen. The Prime Minister, if you go in a budget, business one, if you go take out percentage, Dan just call.
Remember say anything will make money than in 19. You know what I say Dan a fee 19?
What me tell you say Dan have?
Eh?
Link.
And the link, a badness, here go badness
You
go
know
now.
what?
Anything will make money than in it. You have your business as strive in the Dan area. First thing Dan come to your slamming, here we go on now. We want 5% of the thing. You know,
Yeah,
to make sure
just
your
I
head
tell you,
back.
say if Donald Trump give a million, Dan want half.
Yes.
Alright,
thief
what? Alright,
Depends on where you live. Yeah.
All Dan a thief.
Me not tell you say
First
that
off.
is everything bad.
One
Dan
man,
a thief.
every contract I go on a town, a bad man have to
I
be
know
the
bad man a
security.
Dan. The man a
Bad
Dan.
man have to be the security at night. No police,
Hey,
no soldier.
you know
Why?
one time, uptown them,
Me not live
uptown,
uptown.
we see a light Dan them.
Why,
Uptown,
why,
right?
why?
Me no know, me no live
Why
at
make
home.
a bad man have to be the
Listen,
security at night
The
at
damn
all
thing.
Me no
for
know, me no live
every
at home.
side?
You see if you have a car and you want your car alright, you just look for the thief in the area thief car and give him the work to wash the car. Your car never thief.
Never
No,
thief.
I'm out for
Just
that.
as simple
Never
as
I'm out for
that.
that.
You know, that me I tell you, that's why me I
Are you
ask
know-
you, why make a bad man have to get the security work, not even security.
If you don't get the work, you thief everything from over there.
He kill off everybody
But you know, if you be
and
like
go
that,
in
you
go
know.
take everything.
You know what
Yeah,
I'm
that's how we
saying?
make it.
And you know, so me I watch on TV where I hear my container a cigarette thief off of the wharf.
So who you think TV?
You must thief one Dan, man.
Why,
Dan.
man, you can't say who
The
thief.
top shot for the neighborhood.
A Dan.
Listen, you know that story that go far? You want to say that story closer to that? Top shot of your neighborhood.
Eh? No, me want have a link where the Dan have. That's me can't.
So all the big
But you not
container
have to be
40
thief
foot
with
come
the
through the gate and nobody not
That's me I
see.
try to tell
See,
you.
people see.
Me not have
But some man have to turn a blind eye to certain things. Some man
can't use
some
it
man have
for
to get paid
fishery.
and some man have to look.
You know what
Like
you
them
want
a
for
see.
you know what you
You
want
have it done.
40
Look
foot
now, you have it come
container
some fire
cigarette.
mode.
No, the container feet empty. A 1.2 million for an empty 40 foot container. Just an empty shell.
I'm going to tell you something now. You know say what day?
Analyze.
Yeah,
The
man.
shell.
Well, no, listen,
1500 US.
Oh.
Well, you know say what day?
Michelle.
Me see police are run down a man. For a warrant, you know. The man do bad, you know. There's a warrant out for the man. Police are run down the man. Anyway, me follow the man go on a station. Me and a link say, well, we're going to carry you into the law.
Yeah.
You understand?
Well, check the soup.
We're going to check the soup because you run and they want you. So we're going to carry you in.
And the police want you and the soup.
Yeah,
and
we're going to bring you in and find out what the procedure why they run you down. Anyway, when I grew on a station there now, I come out and carry police and I say, "But Shawn, I want to know make you round here, because we don't know if you as a man in a fuckery." I say, "I don't really miss still in the bridge, and I carry around here for a year what I go on."
Yeah.
So anyway now, the police come to me and say, "Yo, tell me what I go on, you see what I go on?" I tell him, he's a man blind and hard of hearing sometime, you know. So I don't see nothing and I don't hear nothing.
Yeah.
You understand? I just accompany the man, so talk to the bigger head up attack they will deal with it. Maybe them will know what happened.
Them know everything.
Yes. So as so with the container now, the container move, you go ask a man, he must save himself, you know.
I have blink.
Yes.
I have power.
They don't know
You
more power.
listen to the man.
Positive and negative that you know.
Well, I know what power come from. Well, I know first of all, let me tell you how the ghetto run. You see, for Corona up in the ghetto from a youth to be a Dan, you know one thing where you call him jungle justice. Where who you and the next set of youth them a fight.
Yeah,
You
but
contain
listen,
the bigger part of the
after
area.
a while, they fly away.
Yeah, no man.
Roadway.
So now listen to him right though. When him fly away, make him a bigger Dan.
Then I say so when he come back.
But listen on no man. That is how you deal with it before you leave. If you can come back in the thing, kind of man go off and get rich and can't come back as a Dan. Can come
He
back
never
in-
did a Dan before.
Well, I know, yes. Him say next to youth, we take it over, we can feed the ground. We say we don't want
I'm a
you.
good Dan.
Listen no man.
No that no good no.
Listen no man. Alright. Listen what me I say now. Listen now. Listen me I say. You can call any big Dan name from town and the same thing I reach them. Any Dan.
Yeah.
Any one of them. Listen this. You see as long as they left go foreign and I feed the ground and the man who has the Dan can be. When they come back, him say alright, him can feed the ground, them I want you. When you come back with $1 million and give them everything, him still at the Dan. And if you don't want to run second, them same man they kill you.
Yeah.
You never did a Dan.
Him a Dan. Listen how them things go now. Listen how them things go now. I'm going to explain something.
You know Dan?
We know Wolf a Dan.
You hear about Dan?
We know Dan personally.
What tell you Dan?
You see
Listen,
Dan?
I'm telling
Well,
about
no,
Dan.
you don't know Dan, man. Let me explain and tell
Well,
you.
Dan, me tell you about Dan.
Mm.
Dan, I want you to have a bomb and so fix AC, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And that
I want to drive taxi. I want to drive
So
taxi.
hear me I say now.
I eat that Dan them.
You see when
I eat that Dan
I eat that Dan them.
Listen now.
I donkey them. I donkey them.
That them and they are done.
We are talking real
Everywhere them and they're going to roll in
I've
the
been
bridge.
saying one
And
Dan. One Dan never dead and a Clarin Dan.
Listen me now, no man, remember now. Everywhere spot I roll with them and they
Alright.
go.
We have
I don't
to find the
hold on,
story, you know.
listen,
We want to know the money, man.
Hold on, wait. Remember, you know, everywhere with them and they go, you know. And one name, they have to call them and then.
And a Dan.
And a Dan. Because I saw the man they name.
Yeah.
Dan.
What the
And
Dan
a
me a talk
AC,
Well, I know.
the man fix.
So the
Yeah, but
next
you're
one,
not
them a
listening,
fraud
man,
Dan.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
them man they recognize as no Dan.
Yeah,
Because you're right. You, we call you tall man. Listen, we call you tall man. And you say, a tall man anyway. You become Dan.
Yeah.
Where you are run place
Yeah.
as Dan. Anyway, at tall, you go nobody not call you Dan, you know. You must call you tall man.
Yeah.
But me name Dan. Where am my name Dan?
I'm
Dan.
going to call you so.
Everywhere me go, a million call Dan. So who are Dan?
But
The
play
man
the
that run the
name when
place.
they call you Dan. No
Name no recognize. You talk about the man when I tell you don't see him.
Well,
He
I-
ain't got prison, or in Goe, or in got one different parish, but when he come back one night time,
Yeah.
you see him for one piece of hype.
Yeah.
And the whole world back at him and say,
Yeah.
I did that.
And I wonder how the money coming in the country.
You don't know.
Alright.
He start do everything different.
Is this?
You hear me say?
The Dan.
But you see, me rate Dan will look out for poor people.
Every time look out for people.
No.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
You know, say Dan.
I wish Dan you know look out for animal. You don't know the animal. Wish Dan you know look out for animal.
Let me tell you one something. You know, say every Dan, start poor people.
That
Every
start
Dan.
all himself.
So hold on, you know. Or if you start poor people and look out for poor people.
That's why.
Listen, Dan
I
look out for them poor people within for them organization. Like in them neighborhood.
Everybody look
next
out for
to them
themselves,
neighborhood.
brother.
So here we know. Here we go now, not everybody. Because you never did know, say, you have one area with 4 Dan,
Of course. But you have a master Dan.
then you have the man behind the plan.
You have a master Dan.
Yeah.
So anyway, we all know we Dan thing now. Why do you do name thing?
Yes.
Name.
Because I don't know Dan name, I door slam my name.
Yeah, you name door slam.
I get my name because I first care me buy, I put door slam on it. No door slamming.
So what make you put door slam on it?
Because I just buy one car, brother, I want to buy some up the door there, I mash up the car, man. When I buy a second car, I don't have no money. I poor little boy, I buy one little car. I could have put all of him come in the body.
So you put.
But you before enough here also. You will still have to caution people because you know the black do it, sir.
Everybody can do it,
The whole world know me as do it, sir. So we just live with it because name are no problem to me. We love name.
Yeah.
Name and woman are when me love because we are tell Gully say.
I really like that name there.
We don't
But you have to just live
no
with
name
it.
at all. We never have a problem.
Give me some other name than what you have now.
Peely.
Printer, Swift, Slam, Slamming, all kind of names.
You know that when them call name don't push it in, see?
Hold on, wait up. So, you get in your Peely now? Peely.
Man, we made Peel.
So that's why
Like we used to do Peel like fall. When we a little boy.
So you get your Peely.
Yeah.
So what me as a dog face? Oh, you get feeling your dog face now?
Alright, we over old marina and one yacht come in with one white woman and an old white man and one little baby. But you can see say no white man baby, but them a travel, you see me?
Yeah.
And the baby drop off at the boat. But them never know say baby drop off at the boat, you know. And some know say baby can survive in the water, you know. The young baby, if he drop off in the sea, he not drown. And nearly half an hour them a look for the little baby, you know. Can drop off at the boat, you know. Because they left him on the sponge when they come up out of the boat on the seat, on the sponge, nice. And he drop off at the boat. Nearly half an hour them a look for the baby, you know. And when me look down there, so I breeze, me see I put the tide that go with the baby, you know. And me show the woman, you know, and the woman jump off, you know, and close everything, phone everything in her hand, you know, and go for the baby, you know. And it's like when the woman come back, he must say, boy, I'm glad dog could find that baby. And give me 300 US. And me gone home. I saw me get the name Dog Face. Yeah, you know.
That's how you call it Dog Face?
Yeah, I saw me get the name Dog Face. Because he must say, I'm glad dog could have find the baby to him there to see him. You understand me smell, but I don't smell, I see me see it. You understand me? Yeah.
But you know, say Jamaican do. You know how to get name of Jamaica,
Yeah, man.
I first see people look for you.
Yeah,
That Jamaica is watch out now. You see, if you're a brown man like me now, anywhere in the world, me go in anywhere in the country, I go there in Jamaica,
Brown man.
Me no hard to know because them are going to say brown man.
Yeah. And I'm only for brown man.
Or fat
Yeah.
man or so.
And if you're fat, they say big.
Yeah.
If you're tall, them say tall man. If you're black, they say blacks.
If you're a thief, they say crook.
If you're short, them say short man. But here our Chinese name for them, you know. Because I tell you, our Chinese name, you know. Chinese stay from upstairs, I building, you know.
Yeah.
And chew down all the pot, you know.
And it's only
I want the pot to go down in the pan. Ching, chong, ching, ching, chong, ching.
So they could give me
So, I saw the name for them, you know.
Alright.
Any sound they pot to go down, so them say, alright, you name ching, chong, ching, you know. You know?
So alright. Alright, me say if you don't know that one then. Since I just said that. What a rapist and a robber have in common?
A rapist and a robber have in common. Well, you know, the robber stick you
kill man.
Yeah? So you said a rapist and a robber have in common a kill.
If then you find out, if you try to find them out, then we'll kill them.
That,
Because that's the main soul.
What make you come up with that?
Because they get away. I feel them get away that, you know, if you rape the woman and kill him, or if you broke people place and kill him, because they don't want nobody catch them. So I must, I'm main source that anybody will have intent. Because from me, I have intent, I'm going to take over people's friends. See, that's kind. I must kill people who kill me, or me, I'm going to kill them.
So you say a raper man and a robber have a common to kill. Alright, what you say about that?
Well, as me say, still in front of the say, we're a raper man.
A raper man and a robber have in common.
Because two of them do something wrong.
What make you say that?
Then remember, if you rape a person, you're wrong, you know. And if you rob a man, you're wrong, you know. So that is what have in common, two wrong. Can't make no
so
right.
So two wrong can't make a right?
Can't make no right.
Alright. What you say about that?
Where raper man and the thief have in common.
A raper man and a thief and a robber have in common.
Only thing I see in common, I see him sentence when they forget today. You understand me? Just to see him sentence, me not see no common in them more and they see him sentence.
Because they have a get
So what
away.
they have in common?
What they have in common? Only thing when they have in common, when a thief are going to a place, you have to break the window or break the door before he go in. And when a raper man, a raper woman, he not tap until he broke in until he get a dog.
You not tap until he broke in.
Yeah.
So you see, say two of them forget the same sense.
Sense, and I told them I broke.
What the difference? What the difference? Since you go on the point there. What the difference with a police car and a taxi car? What is the difference with a police car and a taxi car?
Because
All
police
right.
have a siren,
No.
the taxi have a sign.
Yeah,
No.
that I get. Me know. Go on still.
No,
What make you say that? Make you say that?
What make me say that?
Yeah.
That's because no siren upon police car and I want a taxi sign upon taxi. I want a government vehicle, I want a private one. What's different?
And I want blue and red highway patrol.
Alright. What you say about that?
One have road license and one have him lock up license.
Alright, that no bad. That no bad. Alright. Me can tell you say.
What you say about it now?
The police only come for you when they lock you up.
Mm.
You have to carry passenger every time.
I know, so you go, you know.
And that's how you go.
The taxi car, I take you where you want to go.
But the
The police car, I take you where you don't want to go. Alright, next one again. Student in class. See? What is the difference with a chain and a student in class? A chain where I run on the track and a student in the class. Teacher in class. What is the difference?
question, man.
Question now when I just like a university and everything hard. Every subject hard.
Eh? What that?
Teacher in class with students and a trainer run on track.
Yes. What is the difference with the student and the chain where I run on the track?
No, because I train a whole lot.